Hey everybody, I am Nikki from Doug and Nikki, and we are here in my kitchen with these herb scissors. So excited to try them out. We were asked to give them a shot, and I'm excited because I am sick of chopping. So these ones here are, actually I loved it too because they're green. How cute are these? Oh, they already feel very substantial. You definitely want like something that's going to be a nice substantial product, and this definitely feels like it. These do not, ooh, these are like super nice quality. As you can see, it's got like a little silicone-y kind of hard plastic silicone kind of grip on them, and then it's got a great cover. I like that because I don't want to be digging into a drawer and get those jammed in my fingers. It also comes with a little cleaner, which is great because how else are you going to get into those little crevices? And then this here is how you can actually remove stalks. So basically what you do is you find the little hole that it goes through. So you're going to put this through like this, and when you pull it out, see how it takes off all the leaves? Which I love that as well, right? Doug's even amazed. So depending on how thick the leaf is, that's where you're gonna put that in. So we're gonna try this. I don't know if it's gonna work for kale, but let's give it a try. Oh yeah! Okay, that's awesome. It even works on kale, because who wants to be eating like the stem? So this, in addition to that, is awesome. But I think we need to get to business and we need to try this out. Now what I did was I bought some kale and I got some parsley because I wanted to try it on something thinner and a little bit thicker, how they would withstand. So look at all those blades here. See how this too is going to get in there and be able to clean it out for you? I like that. So I'm just going to snip away. Oh my God, they cut literally like scissors. Oh, that's nice. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. This is my new favorite toy. Okay, it does parsley. Now is it gonna cut kale? Because kale is thicker. Oh yes, yep. Oh, that's really nice. If this is gonna cut kale, look, it even cuts through the stem. That's how sturdy this is. I'm not gonna cut through stems all the time, but I definitely wanna know that it's gonna cut through everything. So these, in my opinion, are awesome. But let's get to cleaning this, see how they clean. Oh yeah, look at that. Gets all that out of there. You know, I'm also gonna run it through some water, but this does a job. These are sturdy, and these are my new favorite things in the kitchen. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.